Most Android users think advanced features require root. But with Shizuku, you can unlock powerful system-level features. In this video, I'll show you the best apps that work with Shizuku and how they can upgrade your Android experience safely. Shizuku allows apps to use Android system APKs through ADB or wireless debugging. This means many apps can perform advanced tasks that were previously only possible with root access. All apps in this video work without root and are compatible with Android 14, Android 15, and even Android 16. Kanta is one of the most popular apps that supports Shizuku. With Kanta, you can remove system apps, disable bloatware, and improve performance. Once connected to Shizuku, Kanta gains elevated permissions instantly. This is one of the safest ways to clean your Android system. APKs is an advanced permission manager using Shizuku. APKs can control hidden permissions, block background access, and manage sensitive system permissions. This app is perfect for users who care about privacy and control. Hail allows you to freeze apps completely. With Shizuku, Hail can stop apps from running in the background, save battery life, and reduce RAM usage. Frozen apps stay disabled until you manually enable them again. There are 5 file manager apps that are most commonly used on Android worldwide, especially for advanced file access. Zarchiver is one of the most popular file managers on Android. It is widely used for managing zip and RAR files, copying large data, and accessing Android data folders. Using Shizuku or ADB, Zarchiver is lightweight, fast, and trusted by millions of users. Our S-File Manager is a modern and powerful file explorer. It supports advanced permissions, ADB-based access, and works well on newer Android versions. This app is commonly used for Android troubleshooting. Explorer is a dual-pane file manager. Designed for advanced users, it is often used for system folder management, network storage access, and advanced file operations. With Shizuku, Solid Explorer is a premium file manager. With strong security features, it is trusted for secure file management, encrypted storage, and protected directory access. Using Shizuku, Explorer is a highly customizable file manager. It supports plugins, deep system navigation, and advanced access through ADB or Shizuku. Explorer is very popular among Android power users. Split App Installer SAI allows you to install split APK files easily. With Shizuku enabled, you can install complex app packages, fix app not installed errors, and install apps not available on Play Store. Shizuku does not modify system files, it only provides controlled access. Using official Android APKs, always grant Shizuku access only to apps you trust. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips, Shizuku tutorials, and no root solutions.